Hello everyone. It's been a while since the last video, but here I am again. Nothing too fancy happened in that time, didn't drive anywhere interesting, only working and some little modifications to the trunk. So let's see. In the meantime, I made this flat spot to sleep and a few drawers to put stuff in it. Everything made by myself. I even managed to put this cloth on it so it would be much smoother and nicer to be inside, but these brown drawers now looks a bit silly. I guess I'm gonna need to paint them in black. Okay, so stick around, watch whole video. Alright, let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. First things first, here's a quick and simple look at how a storage box bed came together. We started off with a couple of sheets of marine plywood, each one about 2.5 meters long, 1.25 wide, and 12 millimeters thick, if I remember correctly. Unfortunately, I ran a bit short on wood for the drawers, so I had to grab one more, slightly smaller sheet. Then came the building part. Nothing fancy, just simple, self-taught work. We began by cutting the bottom panel, measured how tall the sidewalls needed to be, glued them in place and screwed them on. After that, we just repeated the same process 3 more times. Next, we measured the height so that it would line up with the top edge of the lower lid, leaving just a small bit of extra room. Negaliu. Nesitrinčia. Once that was done, we knew our height, so it was time to make the side panels. Aukštis aiškus. Dabar reikia šoninės laikymo lentas padaryti ir judėsim toliau. Kaip čia pasakius,
įdedam aklijaus, tada kampukui susisegam ir bandom iš šono ir iš apačios pataikyti kažkaip. Ten vienas. Taip, jau perdėlį kaip dydys. Ten vienas.
Kažkur pagręžt. Jeigu pamatysiu gręžt, tai reiškia nepataikiai. Kodėl gręžtama?
Dugną kažkaip reiktų susisukti. Kaip tu to? Apversti aukštėlį, kai. Čia reikia nusibrėžti liniją
Now it doesn't always go perfectly. Sometimes the screws don't quite land where they should, or the walls aren't perfectly straight. But that's fine. The box already started to take shape, and we even cut out the extension piece that will be used for lying down. At this point we tested how everything fits together, and it all held up nicely.
Kaip tai net jau atėjo ant lentų. O, be problemų.
Pagalvė.
Na, mašina.
O dabar išėmus apsukus šalto.
Bet jaučiu, kad reikės dar biškį pasiaurinti. Toks tas gyvenimas. Mes mokėjom.
The top board turned out great. It can be lifted out, dropped back in, and everything fits just right. Okay, it's time for final touches for this living room box, bed, and storage compartment. So I'm gonna need to cut few lines here, here, and here, and then make it openable. Pew pew. And that's it, and also make a little bump stop so it wouldn't collapse inside, and I will be able to access my unnecessary stuff easier. And from this side also to open this panel, and there is air compressor in this car, so let's go.
Bus gerai.
Okay, I still have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing it anyways. So I decided that I need this cloth, I don't know, to stick it on the box, so make it a little bit softer and friendlier for the eye. So to do it, I bought, I think, enough of this stuff and draw a line in the middle of the bottom of the box. Top side is at the moment on the bottom, and this is bottom. So here I will be trying to start sticking it in. I don't know what is going to happen, but let's try. While I was struggling to glue the carpet on, I'll be honest, it was a lot harder than I expected, and it didn't come out exactly how I pictured it. If you ever try this yourself, I definitely recommend doing it with at least one extra person. Okay, my drawers are pretty simple. Just wooden boxes, no runners on any side, so that makes them pretty light and I can remove them easily from the car if I need to remove this box and make extra space for large items. Okay, how we work. This one is empty, so I can show you. On the bottom of the drawers is this white plastic which slides on the wood quite easily, and I don't need any runners for these drawers. I can install them easily just like that and take it anywhere I want. So I don't know, I like this system. And also this flat spot goes in the front of the car and I can fit easily inside. So let's take a look how it works. Making a space for sleeping is not that easy. I'm gonna need to drop down both sides of the seats, and then not so interesting part, I'm gonna need to remove it completely, turn around and put it back, because these three hangers hold this top shelf. Okay. I guess I'm gonna need a bigger bolt, a bigger screws, but not to worry, it's still in production. And ta-da! Flat space for sleeping is installed. Nice. This shelf rests on the seats and it's almost completely flat. Just need to fix it a bit, but not to worry, everything's working great. Okay, it's time to try to fit inside this Rover. Well, Range Rover is quite big, so I should fit, but I'm not so tiny also. But let's see. Up, up. There's quite enough room in here. For one person you can fit easily. Just need a mattress. For two persons also you can fit more or less easily. And now I thought that I will make this bed in the summer and I'll try it somewhere to drive a bit further. But Range Rover's gearbox exploded. It now has only 3 gears and getting worse every day, just a bit. So now main concern is to repair this gearbox. And after repair I'll be able to get back to the roads, or maybe even trails. So let's see how we go. That's it for this time. Goodbye. Einam susirinkti savo mašiną. Su kablių tvirtinimais. Reiks kažką geriau sugalvoti. Faktas. Pavyko.